This process here that I'm showing is on one single page. When you are mapping, pages may automatically be added to your canvas and your mapping process on a second page. So how will that look? So how does that look when we want to print such a process that is spread across several pages? I will navigate to the Print tab. And we see that by default, Skore will squeeze all the content on one single page. Now, if I want to print it exactly as I intended to in the edit mode, I can go to the Print Settings menu on the top left corner and click As Page View. When I apply the change, I see that now the pages look exactly like I had in the edit mode. When I'm happy with the layout, I can click on Print Now button, which creates a browser-friendly print preview page. And then using the File and Print menu, I can select if I want to export as a PDF or send to my traditional or my usual paper printer.